Here I have Vivo V20, and today I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open settings, then you have to go to the lock screen and wallpaper section, then you can select your wallpaper here. You have to allow like all of these permissions it requires. Okay, like all these permissions, then go to the wallpaper. You can select one of these pre-installed wallpapers. By tapping here you can select image from your gallery and set it as a wallpaper. For example, I'm just gonna pick this one. Here you can adjust it, how it would look. Like this, for example. And then you have to select if you want to set it on home screen, on lock screen, or on both screens. And then tap here. And after that, the wallpaper will change. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.